This video answers one question. Can AI take my job? No drama. The honest answer, step by step. By the end, you will have a simple test to check your own job. Let us go. I asked a teacher and a doctor, and every other field is asking the same question. Will AI take my job? Take a teacher. Watch what I do. I take her day and I write down every single thing she does. Mark homework. Make notes, and 6 more things like this: calming a crying child, calling a worried parent, small tasks all day. 1 job, 8 tasks. Remember this. Same for a doctor, same for a shopkeeper. Every job is a pile of tasks. And this is the key line of the video. AI does not take a job. It takes tasks, some of them. Now let us sort them. I go inside her day. I put 2 boxes. This box is for tasks that are easy for AI, and this box is for tasks that are hard for AI. I will put each task in 1 box. Now I put the tasks in the boxes. These 4 are checklist work: reading, writing, repeating the same thing. So they go in the easy box. And these 4 need a person in the room, someone the child trusts, so they go in the hard box. So look, AI can do 4 of her 8 tasks. Not her whole job, only half of it. So here is your test. Take any task. Ask 1 question. Can I write it as a checklist? Yes. AI will do it soon. No, it needs me there. It stays with me. This is not new. Before, farming was done with bulls. Then the tractor was invented and farmers started using tractors. The farmer stayed. Only the plowing changed. Before computers, all calculations were done by hand. So many people were needed just to add numbers. After computers, 1 person could do the work of many. Now the honest part. 1 person with AI can do the work of 3, so the risk is real, not 0 jobs, fewer people doing more. The job that disappears is the one that was only checklists. If your whole day is copy, paste, repeat, that job is at risk. Now look at 2 people, same job, same office. One refuses to use AI, the other one uses it every day. Who is at risk? Not the second one, the first one. So what can you do right now? Pick up a paper and a pen, write down the tasks you do every day. Now mark the ones AI can do: emails, notes, first drafts, sorting. Give those to AI today. Now you have time. Use it to get better at your work. While AI does the boring part, you can explore more, build better things, learn the next skill in your field. That is the real change. You plus AI is not less work, it is better work, and that person is worth more, not less. And honestly, if your job is mostly checklists, data entry, call scripts, form filling, do not wait. Learn the tool. Move to the human side now. So, can AI take your job? It will take your boring tasks. It cannot take you in the room. Give the boring tasks to AI and try to be a better human at your work.